We'll guide you through how to add a project to GitHub using command line. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Now we're handing over to Pauser, who's going to continue.
To get started, you will first need Git installed on your computer. So just go ahead and open any browser to your liking, and then in the search bar, just go ahead and search for Git and then press enter. And now just go to the official Git website, and then from here, choose to click on install for your operating system. And from here, you can switch between different operating system. And then from here, and as I am on Windows, I'll just go with Windows and then click on this particular link to download. And as for me, I have already downloaded the setup.exe file. So just go ahead and navigate to your file explorer and then navigate inside the downloads folder. And from here, you will see Git application. Just go ahead and double click on it to run the setup wizard. Just click on yes if prompted. And after that, just go ahead and read through the general public license. And then after reading, just go ahead and click on next. And from here, you can leave most of the options at default and then click on next until you get the install, and just click on install and wait for the installation to be completed. Once the installation is complete, you can toggle off view release node and click on finish. After that, just go ahead and open your browser once again and then open a new tab, and then this time just go ahead and search for github.com and then press enter. And here make sure you have logged in or signed in with your account. So you will see repository. Just go ahead and click on the plus new to create a new repository, and then from here give your repository or name. So let's say I want to go with something like tutorial website. After that, you can add any description that you like, and then if you want your repository to be public, set it to public, and if you want it to private and only you can access it, just go ahead and select private. For my case, I'm just gonna go ahead and go with public, and then you can also toggle on add readme and click on create repository. And now Git will display several commands that can be used to upload an existing project. We will be using those commands in the next step. Now just go ahead and open your file explorer and navigate to the folder that contains the project that you want to upload, which in my case it's going to be this particular folder. And just go ahead and go inside the folder and go to the address bar and type cmd in the address bar and then press enter. And now your command prompt will open in that particular folder. And now here, just go ahead and open your browser and go to the minimize option and hover over it, and then just go ahead and select any option. I'm just going to go ahead and go with this one. And now from here, just go ahead and select your command prompt. And now here, you can start typing your command. So the first command is going to be git init. So just go ahead and type git space init and then press enter. Now you can add all of the file inside of your project. So you may see git add readme.md in the command line, but if you want to upload all of your files, you have to type git space add space period key and then press enter. After that, you can just go ahead and copy the third command by just highlighting it and then press Ctrl C and then paste it in the command prompt by pressing Ctrl V, and then you can type anything instead of first commit. After that, just go ahead and press enter, and now copy the fourth command from the command line by pressing Ctrl C and press Ctrl V to paste it in command prompt and then press enter. And now copy the fifth command from the command line and then press Ctrl C once again and press Ctrl V. And then you can just go ahead and press enter. And now the last command is going to be git space push space -u space origin space main. After that, you can just go ahead and press enter. If Git asks you to sign into your GitHub account, complete the authentication process and continue. And once the upload is finished, now when you go back to the GitHub and reload, you can see those 3 particular files have been successfully uploaded to GitHub using command line. And that's it. You now know how to add the project to GitHub using command line.